Thank you so much for signing up. You've made an incredible decision because you're about to go through a 7-week process that is going to be the most exciting journey perhaps you'll ever make online. If you don't know what to do online, how to get started, what is the best formula for you to make money, you're about to meet 7 of the best. They've got strategies that are built for newbies with limited budget, with limited experience, in fact, no experience, not in technical, not in tech, not in sales, not in marketing. You just need to come with one thing: a lot of passion. So we're about to start this journey with you, and we've got something very special to get you started. I'd like you, as you finish this video, to scroll below and meet your own personal coach. It's important for us that you have a spectacular experience, and I'm sure you're going to have questions that you're going to want to ask. So we've set you up with your own coach. You can again find the details below this video right now. You're going to receive an email in the next couple of minutes from them telling you a little bit more about the process. And then within the next 24 hours, you're going to get your own personal invitation to join the 7-week journey. Now, it's very important when you receive those emails that you open them. So make sure that those emails, you check your spam folder, should they not arrive in your inbox in the next couple of minutes. It's very important that what you do, you open it and you read the emails very carefully. Again, you're going to receive an invitation to the 7-week journey. Please sign up and show up for those webinars on time because they're going to be extremely busy. We've got a lot of people that wanted to join them, and we wanted to make sure that you'd have the most incredible experience, which is why we've set you up with your own personal coach and trainer who'll be there for you every single step of the way. So let's start this journey. Again, scroll below this video, meet your trainer, then very importantly, check your inbox. You'll get an email from them. If you don't receive the email, try signing up again on the previous page. You may have used your wrong email. Otherwise, check your spam folder just in case it went into spam, and make sure to read that email carefully. Third step, again, you will be receiving another email in about 24 hours inviting you to join the 7-week journey. So you're just a couple of steps away. I want you to meet your coach right now. You're going to have a spectacular experience with us. Can't wait to share with you this journey as we get started. Let's make this happen right away. So again, scroll below this video and let's get started. Meet your personal coach and trainer.